Hey guys, so this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to show the sound before and after I get my new exhaust tomorrow. I got a Solo Performance Cyclone exhaust that I'm putting on this thing, and from what I've heard online, it sounds really good. So I'm pretty excited about that. And anyway, this is the car we're putting it on, and somehow, amazingly, I did manage to get the entire exhaust inside my car. I had to take down the back seats, and I'll show you what I did here. So we got, I don't know if you can see it in here, but there's part of it, and there's actually I didn't put anything in the back seat. I just got some trash bags. If I'm taking home the old exhaust, I wanted to have something I could protect the seats and stuff with, because the only way to get this in is like this. So there's the two back ones that come out of the muffler. That's the muffler, and I laid down the seat so I could go from the back all the way straight into that to get it to fit in here. So it's in. So that was the big thing, getting it in. I put a little bit of their packing stuff around it to kind of protect things, but I think it should be fine. But yeah, we're gonna do a before and after sound on this. So I'm gonna cut for a second, and then I'll get the camera set up, and then we'll do a cold start on this thing, rev it up a little bit, and take a look at what it sounds like. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we got the phone here pretty close to the exhaust. I'm gonna turn her on, do a cold start, and then I'm gonna rev her up a few times, see how she's doing, how it sounds. This is before the exhaust. You'll see a little dripping coming down there. That's just the ice melting off the car. A little chilly this morning. So anyway, hopefully it picks up sound good. Alright, and that is the before. Alright folks, what a difference a day makes. So I took my my car down to get my exhaust put on today. Went down there to a place, J&J Exhaust out in Hillsboro. I'll leave a link in the description down below. They were great guys. They did a real good job on this thing, and I tell you, this thing is sounding real good now. So I'm gonna go ahead and set her up, and we'll do a cold start, and then we'll rev her up a few times, and you'll hear the difference. This is the Solo Performance Cyclone exhaust that's on here. So I've been driving home. I drove home with it and everything. It sounded really good. I was really impressed with it. So I will go ahead and I'll stop this video, and then I'll start it back up once everything's set up, and we'll go. Alright guys, Solo Performance Cyclone exhaust. I'll do a cold start first. there you have it, folks. A little before and after of that exhaust. Definitely sounds a lot better. Sounds great going down the road. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stop video here, and I'll try to get this thing uploaded tonight. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you later. Bye.